Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. OSPF, Open Shortest Path First, and IS-IS, Intermediate System to Intermediate System, are both link-state routing protocols used in IP networks, but they have some key differences. OSPF operates at the IP layer and is defined by RFC 2328, while IS-IS works at the data link layer and is defined by ISO 100589 and RFC 1195. OSPF uses a backbone area and multiple areas, whereas IS-IS uses a level-based structure. In terms of security, IS-IS is generally considered more secure since it operates at the data link layer. IS-IS is often preferred in very large networks, especially by service providers, due to its better scalability and ability to handle larger routing tables more efficiently. Both protocols offer fast convergence, but the choice between them can depend on specific network conditions and configurations. It's also worth noting that IS-IS may be more complex to configure and manage, which could be a factor in decision-making. Additionally, while OSPF is easier to configure and more accessible for smaller or less complex networks, IS-IS has the advantage of supporting routing information for non-IP protocols like CLNP. Both protocols support IPv6, with OSPF v3 and IS-IS offering extensions that make them adaptable for future networking needs. In real-world applications, OSPF is widely used in enterprise networks, such as university campus networks, due to its accessibility and ease of use. On the other hand, IS-IS is more common in service provider environments, particularly in global backbone networks, due to its flexibility, scalability, and robustness. The choice between the two typically depends on the specific needs of the network. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.